Remember the pangolin we left crying and near death? We found out she gave birth, and a wildlife organization helped release her back into the wild. But a sad reality of rescue is that because her baby carried the scent of humans, the mother was forced to abandon it. The woman took the baby pangolin back, feeding it with a tiny syringe. Later, she rescued another pangolin family, and the sight of the mother trying to gently retrieve her baby from the woman's hands was a beautiful reminder of their deep maternal love. The rescuer questions her own methods, but seeing that love, she knows in her heart that saving them, one at a time, is the only choice she can make.